Hello everybody. Today I have a very special video for you which is going to be slightly different than my usual style of in-depth tutorial videos. I'm going to tell you how you should prepare and structure your attention as AI is coming in really fast. Before I get started, I wanted to mention that I just touched 1,000 subscribers, so I wanted to thank each and every one of you. I also just started my community section, so if you want to say hi, please add a comment. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you and recommend you to go to my playlist section where I have all my videos fairly well organized. I think it was only a month ago where I was requesting people to subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I didn't expect to get there this fast, but I'm really happy and excited about the future. Alright, let's get started. So a little bit of context. Today's video is not going to be super educational on a specific tool, nor it's going to be super entertaining. But I think it's a really important video for you to watch as you prepare for an AI-driven future. So I do request you to watch till the end. So why did I decide to make this video? If you just go on YouTube and search AI, you're going to see there's going to be a ton of content out there. And there's also a lot of news that's happening in the AI world. Like for instance, just 2 days ago, GPT-4 was released. And then yesterday and in the last 3 days, I think there's a lot of activity which happened. Like Google came out with a whole set of AI tools for the Google Workplace, and Microsoft came out with the Copilot, which is going to be integrated in a lot of Microsoft products. So what's happening right now is there's an overwhelming number of AI products being released. Now this is all great and I'm really excited about this, but the thing is now you're going to see a lot of different kinds of AI channels that are going to pop up. There's going to be videos, there's going to be LinkedIn posts, there's going to be Twitter posts all about AI, and there's going to be an overwhelming amount of content being thrown at you if you're interested in AI at all. So what I want you to do is to take a step back and evaluate your needs for AI in your life. The first thing I would do is to take a piece of paper and write down what the role of AI in your life is and potentially could be. So what is your profession? Maybe you're a teacher, or maybe you're a software engineer, or maybe you're a firefighter. Now all these professions have a completely different set of skill sets that are needed. And this video is not about whether AI is going to take your job. I don't think AI is going to take over all kinds of jobs. There's going to be some pivots needed in your career, of course, and you can't really stand back and assume that nothing will happen, because AI will improve your life in a lot of ways, but that also means a lot of repetitive or redundant tasks will be done by AI instead of letting humans do that. So let me go over these 3 examples. So if you're a teacher, what kind of AI tools might be useful to you? Maybe you're going to need Khan Academy with GPT-4 integrated in it, or maybe you're a software engineer and maybe you need ChatGPT Plus to fix your code sometimes so you can develop faster. Or you might be a firefighter who is out there saving people's lives from buildings, but maybe it's getting too physically demanding for you and you're getting older, so you want to transition your career into a content creator, which can be YouTuber, blogger, or anything else. So it doesn't matter. Maybe you want to keep your profession as a teacher or software engineer, or maybe you want to pivot to a different kind of career. So all of these things require different kinds of skill sets. So I want you to write down the kind of skill sets you might need for your current profession or a future profession. So content creating might require you to use video editors. Or as a software engineer, one of the skill sets you use or might need to use is pair programming. Another skill as a teacher might be to create summaries of your lessons for your students. So these are just examples I'm coming on the fly, but you get what I mean. I would write down at least 10 skill sets that you need to work on, which are specific to your life. Now, why am I doing this? So the goal of this exercise is actually to understand which areas of your life AI might help out. And soon I'm going to talk about 3 different categories that you might place yourself in as you are learning about AI and AI tools. Now, why do I recommend doing this? Because if you search AI like I showed you, there's going to be tons and tons of YouTube channels, news sources that are all throwing out content in your face. And while this might seem that you're learning a lot, but what is happening really is your attention is getting pulled in from different directions and you're not really getting anywhere. At least that's happening to me, or was happening to me a few months ago. You see how there's content about how AI will destroy the world if you're not careful. So this is not really a tutorial, right? And there's another one where someone's trying to teach you how to make money using AI tools. And someone, well actually this is me, helping you use ChatGPT to fix Java code. But what if you're not a software engineer? This video is not relevant to you. If you're a teacher, do you really need to fix Java code? All of these videos will keep distracting you if you don't know what the role of AI is in your life. And that's why it's really important for you to note down the skill sets that you need to develop. Or maybe you don't need any skill sets at all, because you might be in category 1. I'm going to talk about 3 different categories that you potentially might be in. And I want you to add a comment after watching all 3 categories to tell me which one you might be in. So the first category of people are people who want to be entertained and informed by AI. Now, what does this mean? They are either interested in watching entertaining AI content or AI news. An example would be this one, where 2 US presidents are having a sleepover, and this was generated using an AI voice tool. Will this help you improve your software engineering skills? Probably not, because you're watching this to entertain yourself, and I do it too. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. And the next kind of videos or articles that you might watch, I'm going to say content that you might watch, is things like the GPT-4 release or the Midjourney 5 release and the Microsoft Copilot integration. And interestingly, all 3 of these happened within a week. And if you're in category 1 exclusively, then all you want to do is to be entertained and informed about what's going on in the AI world. See, if you're a firefighter and you don't even sit in front of your computer and have no time on your phone, then you probably just want to be entertained and informed. You don't really need to learn how Midjourney prompts work. Maybe you do, but not seriously, right? But maybe you have a few minutes here and there to play on ChatGPT and you want to learn about cool new tools that are coming up. And that might place you in category 2, where you just want to learn about simple AI tools. Some examples of such videos are simple AI art tutorials like the beginner tutorials that I make. Some cool ChatGPT use cases. Maybe you want to use ChatGPT to clean up your resume, or you want to learn about every single random AI tool that comes up. So if you search AI beginner tutorial, you're going to see tutorials like these, where someone's using AI to make YouTube videos. Another one is making AI art absolute beginners tutorial. This is something which just teach you how to do a simple prompt and generate a cool fun image. So this is more of a casual learner. So they don't really want to use AI tools in their day-to-day because they don't really need it. But they want to be slightly more than just watching news and be entertained, right? And now let me come to the third category. These are people who want to learn AI usage in depth. They want to learn something about the technical architecture of chatbots. They want to do stuff like building software using Whisper API. They want to get really good at Midjourney prompts. They want to build AI workflows which can generate money. They want to build websites. They want to have a shop set up. They want to promote that shop using AI-based SEO tools and sell things and build a business. Usually these people upgrade to paid membership on specific tools. Like for example, if you're a graphic designer and you get a lot of benefit from using the paid version of Midjourney, then you are in category 3. Or if you're a software engineer who is using a paid version of ChatGPT to accelerate their work, you are in category 3. So the people in category 3 usually don't spend too much time on random AI tools. Like if your entire life centers around AI art, you don't really need to use Pictory to create AI videos, right? Because your time is more valuable than that. You want to spend your time getting very deep into AI tools. And this is the category I want you to eventually get to. And this brings me to the mission statement of my channel. My goal is to help you transition from a casual viewer in category 1 all the way to a power user in category 3. But for that to happen, it's very important for you to do this first exercise to see what role AI plays in your life. And that is why I keep repeating when I mention my playlists that you need to find the videos that are relevant to you. Because if I do a lot of videos on Leonardo AI, even though the videos look really cool, if you're just trying to get really good at ChatGPT, I don't think there's much value in watching that playlist. or watching random YouTube channels which have nothing to do with what your goal is. And I think as more and more AI tools come in the marketplace, this exercise might do two very important things for you. It's going to save you time and energy, and more importantly, prepare you in case your career is at risk. So as you track the progression in the AI world, you should be aware of how easily it might be able to do your job. If you see a tool is getting really good at doing your job, it's very important to pivot. Pivoting is changing the career path at the right time before it's too late. But if you're in the sidelines not taking this seriously, I think it might be an issue in the future. For example, there's a lot of layoffs happening right now in tech. One example is 10,000 people, I think, in Facebook or Meta in the recruiting department got laid off. Because since the overall job market is a bit bleak, there's not that much need of recruiters as there was like a few years ago. So that's my theory on why recruiters need to pivot to a different career path, because maybe AI will be able to do the whole sourcing and recruiting part of candidate onboarding. So it's important to keep your ego aside and be a bit more realistic on whether AI might take your job or might be able to supercharge your own productivity and help you start new businesses. So I hope you understand why I made this video and why it's important to kind of take a step back and consciously redirect your energy to the AI content that will affect your life. Alright, I hope you got some value from this video. If you already know what category you are in, please add that to the comments because I would really like to know. And I want to thank you all for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers again. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.